everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's sadly reported by Igagasi FM that Mama Ofaselepe, who is known as G65, has unfortunately passed away. The old lady has been trending with a song Obani Ilababantu, encouraging people that age is just a number. You can do everything you want at whatever age. It was also reported that she completed her master's in her 60s and she was busy with her PhD. The details of her untimely passing are not yet known. My condolences go out to her family and everyone who supported her. May her soul rest in peace, guys. What a great inspiration she left behind. 2020 must just end. This is too much. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.